Hello everyone, me Nehal Naidu and we are here 7th India International DRI and Steel Summit 2026. And today with us Mr. Sandeep Mohindro from M1 Exchange. I'm blessed to meet a great personality person. So
Thank you, Nehal.
welcome sir.
Equally my pleasure to connect with a great personality like yourself.
Oh, thank you so much. I heard your session and I wanted to know that how is M1 Exchange improving price, transparency and trust in steel market?
Sure. So, Nehal, all the suppliers in the steel market are who are supplying goods and services to the steel makers like sponge iron and other steel makers. They are getting their payments after a credit period of 60, 90 days from a steel company. As they put their invoices on M1 Exchange, the steel maker gives approval of those invoices and the payment is made immediately to the supplier by the banks at a very competitive price, basis the risk of the customer, that is the steel maker. So as a result, the supplier gets his payment immediately.
Okay.
He doesn't have to wait for 60, 90 days. It brings down his cost of doing business. And the trust and the confidence between the supplier and the steel maker goes up multi-notches because his payment has been released, very good price, and he doesn't have to take funds at a high price for his working capital.
Okay, great. My next question is what real benefits are secondary steel producer gaining from trading on M1?
So, all the secondary steel producers, when they are selling their goods to their customers, they are first buying steel in advance by making an advance payment to the steel company, then processing the steel and then selling it to the end customer. Now, in this entire working capital cycle is very large
Okay.
because they are paying in advance and then they are processing it and then they are selling it. So this entire cycle could range between 90 days to 200 days.
Okay.
Now, by coming on M1 Exchange, they are able to manage their purchase side. The payment is made through a bank on the platform and they don't have to make an advance payment. Similarly, when they are selling, they are getting the payment immediately. Like in my previous question to your previous question I had applied, they're getting an immediate payment from their customer through M1 Exchange, and that shortens their working capital and again reduces their cost of doing business.
And in short, reducing time and saving their time also.
Absolutely, saving time, reducing their cost, and the whole ecosystem become very competitive.
Nice. Sir, how do policy changes and price volatility impact steel trading volumes on your platform?
So as the market grows, the demand is very much witnessed by us. In this current financial year, I was explaining in the panel, we have discounted invoices worth 24,500 crore of steel sellers oblique buyers. And as the industry is growing because of the demand in the infrastructure space, the steel demand is going up. So is the quantum of buying and selling, financing is going up.
Okay.
I haven't seen a downside in the last 5 years. I have only seen the upside. So I'm not able to comment on the downside. But in the upside, I am seeing that their demand is going up.
Very nice. Sir, कैसा है आपका अभी तक का experience सीमा का?
Yes, so I am my first visit to SEMA, and I really loved and enjoyed very relevant content, a relevant audience who is directly from the industry, and the speakers who are sharing their experience from their by living their experience, they are sharing it. So I enjoyed the whole bit. Thank you.
Very nice.